Welcome to our quick guide on back-of-the-envelope calculations for system design interviews. These quick mental math techniques are essential for any technical interview. System design interviews often require you to estimate the scale of a proposed system quickly. You won't need an exact answer, but a reasonable approximation. We'll be focusing on quick tips and easy-to-remember calculations for queries per second, memory, storage, disk speed, and network speed. Let's start with queries per second, or QPS, calculations, which is fundamental for understanding system load. A key shortcut is converting daily active users to average requests per second. Remember, there are 86,400 seconds in a day, approximate to 100,000 for ease of calculation. A simple rule of thumb: 1 million daily users is roughly 10 to 20 requests per second average if they make one request daily. Don't forget peak traffic. Typically, peak load is 2 to 4 times the average QPS. Always design your system to handle this peak capacity, not just the average. Next, let's look at easy mental models for memory and storage calculations. It's helpful to remember rough sizes for common data types. A piece of text is around 1 kilobyte, a photo is 1 to 5 megabytes, and a short video is often in the tens of megabytes. To estimate total storage, multiply your daily data volume by 365 days, approximate it to 400 for ease of calculations, and then factor in any copies for replication or backup. Remember to account for several years of growth. Understanding disk speed and storage types is crucial for optimizing data access latency. For memory access times, use these general ranges. RAM is incredibly fast at around 100 nanoseconds. SSDs are slower in the 0.1 to 1 millisecond range, and traditional HDDs are around 10 milliseconds. When considering performance, think about IOPS for random read/write operations, typical in database lookups, and total throughput for large sequential operations like backups or logs. Finally, let's touch upon the speed of data transfer, both locally and globally. Network latency varies significantly. Transfers within a data center or LAN are extremely fast, around 0.1 to 0.5 milliseconds. Cross-continent transfers, or WAN, can easily hit 100 milliseconds or more. A useful conversion: 1 gigabit per second is about 125 megabytes per second. This helps you calculate how long it takes to transfer your estimated data size. Now let's put these concepts to the test with a small example. Imagine you're designing a photo-sharing application with 10 million daily active users, and each user uploads 1-2 megabytes photo per day. For QPS, 10 million daily uploads gives you an average of about 100 requests per second. We approximate daily seconds to 100,000. For storage, 10 million photos at 2 megabytes each is 20 terabytes of data daily. Multiply by 400 to estimate yearly growth. Mastering these mental shortcuts will make your system design interviews much smoother and more effective. Remember the key numbers, practice converting between time and data metrics, and always justify your assumptions. Good luck!